In general? Generally, I love aviation. I enjoy it because of you.
Does you open that? That he has to fly so much.
Yeah.
And you never get to see him.
Hey Emma, I have to go fly the jet tomorrow.
Okay.
When you have to fly and we have something important planned, that's the worst part. For a long time, you missed holidays and birthdays. I mean, my last 5 birthdays, I don't know if you have been around.
Like since, when was it? November? When it started, like before it was Christmas. Like 1 week ago. How about 6 weeks? You find a really tiny one?
It's not that small.
No.
You can buy an airplane. I'm telling you, now you have it on video.
That's verbal
This
contract.
is verbal contract.
If I go get a loan.
You can buy the airplane, I told you.
Giant?
Giant.
Yes.
Alright.
Wing? Oh no. Let me guess. It has the you need
Magic?
your oven is funny.
I don't know, you know, you got the thrust, the lift, the drag, the, you know, thing.
If you see birds like going up, that you want that spot. It just glide.
I didn't know that this was gonna be like a science talk.
How does an airplane fly, Emma?
Good.
It flies good.
That wasn't scary.
I asked Ethan the same question,
Okay.
and he told me that wings are just a couple of boards out in the air.
And they skip along on magic.
Okay. A princess. Wait. I don't know how to explain it. Crush an airplane. Yeah? You wanna do that? Daddy?
Crash an airplane? No.
You wanna do that? Glide. Scissors! Cookies?
Jets are cookies?
Yes. I wanna check what's on those.
Sure.
Yes.
Bye!
Have a great day. Fly safe.
That's you opening.
Go look at the camera, okay? I'm asking. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yeah. All right. Sit down. Sit down.
Well,
Wait. Okay.
the blue one. The blue